the ultimate Christmas Eve dinner guide. Hey there, holiday hosts. Christmas Eve is a magical time spent with loved ones, and what better way to celebrate than by sharing a delicious, festive dinner? Whether you're cooking for a large crowd or just a small family gathering, I've got some incredible Christmas Eve dinner ideas to make your evening unforgettable. From traditional dishes to creative twists, let's dive into the ultimate Christmas Eve feast. First up, let's talk about the centerpiece of any Christmas dinner, the main course. If you're looking for something traditional, you can't go wrong with a perfectly roasted turkey. But if you want to change things up this year, consider a roast beef or glazed ham. The best part about these dishes is that they can be made in advance and easily reheated, saving you time on the big day. For the turkey, a simple herb butter and lemon rub will add amazing flavor. And if you're going for the ham, a honey and mustard glaze is sure to impress your guests. Don't forget the sides. Crispy roasted potatoes and Brussels sprouts with a balsamic glaze are perfect accompaniments. Now, if you're in the mood for something a little more unconventional, how about a seafood feast? Think crab legs, lobster tails, or a seafood platter full of shrimp, mussels, and oysters. For a more intimate affair, a seafood paella could be the star of your Christmas Eve table. This one-pan wonder filled with saffron rice, vegetables, and a mix of seafood is not only delicious, but also visually stunning. It's perfect if you're looking to impress your guests with something a bit more unexpected. For those of you who want to keep things lighter but still festive, why not serve a seasonal salad to start? A fresh green salad with mixed greens, pomegranate seeds, goat cheese, and candied pecans makes for a beautiful and delicious opener. Or if you're craving a little more warmth, a butternut squash soup can be the perfect way to kick off your meal. Top it with a swirl of cream and a sprinkle of fresh herbs, and you've got an appetizer that feels both cozy and elegant. Now let's talk sides. A great Christmas Eve dinner needs a variety of sides that everyone can enjoy. Classic mashed potatoes are always a crowd pleaser, but you can elevate them with roasted garlic and a bit of cream cheese for extra richness. If you're looking for something with a bit more color, try a roasted vegetable medley. Carrots, parsnips, sweet potatoes, and red onions drizzled with olive oil, herbs, and a little honey. You can also serve a warm stuffing made with sourdough, sausage, cranberries, and plenty of fresh herbs for a comforting, savory side that brings all the holiday flavors to life. Don't forget about the bread. You can bake or buy a festive bread like a rosemary focaccia or a cranberry orange bread. Serve it alongside a dish of homemade butter infused with rosemary or cinnamon for a truly seasonal touch. A basket of warm bread at the dinner table will make your guests feel cozy and welcomed right away. Of course, no Christmas Eve dinner is complete without a dessert that wows. A rich chocolate Yule log, also known as a bûche de Noël, is a showstopper that tastes just as amazing as it looks. If you're short on time, how about a no-bake cheesecake with a cranberry compote topping? It's festive, refreshing, and incredibly easy to prepare ahead of time. Or, for a classic touch, serve up individual Christmas puddings, doused in brandy sauce and flamed at the table for a bit of drama. Whatever dessert you choose, make sure it's something sweet and indulgent to end the night on a high note. And let's not forget drinks, an essential part of any Christmas Eve celebration. For a fun, festive cocktail, try a spiced mulled wine or a cranberry spritz. If you're after a non-alcoholic option, a sparkling apple cider or a gingerbread hot chocolate will keep everyone in the holiday spirit. Just don't forget a nice warm drink to enjoy after dinner, perhaps a classic eggnog, a hot toddy, or even a peppermint mocha. So there you have it, a spread that's sure to impress no matter the size of your gathering. From the main course to the drinks, these Christmas Eve dinner ideas are designed to make your evening feel extra special. What are you planning to cook this Christmas Eve? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more festive inspiration. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and happy cooking.